It's Mike Less bringing you another 2018 corn harvest video, this one coming from Palmyra, Missouri. Palmyra, Missouri is just across the river from Illinois and just north of the town of Hannibal, Missouri. I am out here today with Paganok Farms, just a local farmer in the area here, and they are running their new Holland CR9070 combine with a 12-row cornhead. Also in the video is their versatile 310 tractor pulling a Killbros 1195 grain cart. In the spring, I did a video not in this particular field, but just south of here of the versatile 310 pulling a Kinsey 24-row corn planter. So if you haven't seen that, you can go back to my channel and check that one out as well. So the field that I am shooting this video in that they're working in here has a little history to it. Back in October 18th of 1862, this field is where the Palmyra Massacre happened. Some old Civil War history. So I'm not going to tell you the whole story. You can certainly go back and look that up, but it was not a good deal. But that happened right here in this field. To add to the history, they named this Paganok Farms, which is supposed to be an old Sioux Indian word for black walnut, according to legends. And they also have real estate documents that were written by Daniel Boone, and that is what he actually named this farm here. The equipment in the video was sold and serviced by the Quincy Tractor Group. This stuff here coming from Hannibal Tractor out of Hannibal, Missouri, which is part of, like I said, the Quincy Tractor Group out of Quincy, Illinois. Going to try to get back here later this fall. This farm also runs an AGCO Star that will be pulling a strip till bar here as soon as the weather cools down. The sky was just perfect tonight for the video, I thought. It rained just north of here, and rained a little bit just in the field here, sprinkled, not enough to stop anybody though, so I was able to get this great video for you. So I hope everybody enjoys this, and like always, thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel.